Malapit na. Ang lamig. Ang ganda. Ganda. Hello! Hello! Ito! Hello! Doon. Bye-bye. Ay! Makantay ka? Only you mean.
Okay, the higher the better. The higher the... Yeah, please.
Okay.
Actually, all the levels are connected by stairs, so you can walk down to the other levels afterwards. Observation platform, coffee shop, center level, restaurant, in this order.
Oh, you can take... From there we can take
the
the
elevator.
steps.
Oh, it's
No
there.
more elevator stairs.
Actually, there are only elevator stations at the observation platform or center level. The rest has to be done by
Ang
stairs.
bilis.
If you want to, you can look up. There's a glass ceiling in the elevator, so you can
Yes,
look
we
right
can
into
see
the tower.
it.
We're going up to 165 meters to the center level first.
Mga kalakpo.
Highest point you could reach would be the revolving restaurant at 170
Oh, that's the highest one? Okay.
All in all, the tower is 252 meters high and still the highest tower in Austria.
Yes.
Going up with a speed of 6.2 meters a second, which would be about 22 kilometers per hour. Left the stairs down would be the coffee shop, and farther down the observation platform. Right and the stairs up would be the restaurant, but it's closed between 3 and 6 o'clock.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Sige, enjoy.
Hello. Welcome to Volmon Watch. Oh, parang umiikot. Umiikot yata. Feeling ko. Umiikot siya. Umiikot nga. Umiikot yung lamesa. Dudurot! Oh, ginayod din.
Magkano? Alam. 2 euro sa amin yan.
KFC. Tara, baba tayo sa KFC na lang. Kahit pala hindi na kayo nakikita na dito. Magkano daw? Pero yung entrance, magkano?
Yung entrance seat.
Academia. Cookies.
Cookies yung gusto ay mahal.
Yeah.
Dalawa.
Manila.
Vanilla?
Cookies, one more.
Oh, cookies and...
I know, that's why. Palala mo naman mo pa.
Okay. Patsagamat din.
Wapin mo sa salad.
Caramel. Yung palit ang caramel.
Pogi, tanggap mong order. My pie.
Bistia. Okay?
Hindi rin tao.
Okay, bubo. Ha?
Sabihan mo na naman. Sabihan mo din.
Ano yung
Itang apple pie.
Nagbabayad.
Apple tart.
Para sa kita. Right, left. Tama na yun. Wala na rin ako niya.
Apple tart.
Bakit?
Sige, ilan ka tayo?
Tanggap ng apple tart.
Ayun na tayo. Manya-manya.
Kailan yan?
Manya-manya.
Ginawa naman si Pao?
Na?
Hindi, pag paalis na rin tayo niya bago ba?
Alahin nga gawon ni mag-update yung Facebook ng gawa ng gawan.
Ating mga yun eh.
Iuwi mo din t-shirt?
Naan mo po ito magpagin pa rin mo na sa Facebook.
Yeah. No, I mean, hindi.
Tu hai studiat artele frumoase. Am fost la